Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to comment anonymously in a Facebook group. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to the home page. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Groups from the list. Now, enter the group where you'd like to comment anonymously. Once inside, find the post you want to comment on. Tap the comment button under the post to open the comment section. Type your comment in the text box. You'll see your profile picture next to it. Tap on your profile picture or the small icon beside it. A menu will appear. Choose Anonymous Participant. A pop-up will explain that while your comment will look anonymous to group members, admins can still see your name and profile. Tap Got It to confirm. Now, your comment may show as Anonymous Participant instead of your name. Once you're ready, hit Send. And that's it! You've successfully posted an anonymous comment in a Facebook group. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.